Here are 20 tips for travelers taking a cruise for the first time. 1. Do your research. Before booking a cruise, it's important to do your research and make sure you're choosing the right cruise line and itinerary for your needs and interests. Read reviews from other travelers, research the different cruise lines, and compare pricing and itineraries to find the best option for you. 2. Choose the right cabin. When choosing a cabin, think about your budget and what type of cabin will best fit your needs. If you're looking for a more affordable option, an inside cabin may be a good choice. You want a cabin with a view. An outside cabin or balcony cabin may be a better option. We all know what it's like to miss a flight or to lose our luggage or to just simply have an unpleasant experience. It really is true that the more we know, the better off we are. All the time we hear from friends what they recommend, such as places to eat, places to go, things to see, and things to do. But the things that trip us up, the things that ruin our trip, are those trivial things we didn't know. Here at Sammy True, our goal is to provide you with knowledgeable information and more than just a recommendation, but actual up-to-date facts and more, to help you have a wonderful and better experience when you travel. Please bear with us as we are just getting started and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to putting out more useful content than just your normal everyday recommendation. Consider becoming a loyal supporter of this channel. We will keep growing our subscriber base and make an impact. As we do, so will the quality of our videos. We look forward to giving back. Sometimes it's the little hacks that get us by and help our life be most enjoyable. Thanks. Now back to the video. 3. Pack smart. When packing for your cruise, be sure to pack versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched, as well as comfortable shoes that you can wear for walking around the ship and exploring port cities. You should also pack any essential medications, toiletries, and travel documents. 4. Be prepared for embarkation. Embarkation day can be chaotic, so it's important to be prepared. Make sure you have all of your travel documents and required paperwork ready to go, and pack any essential items you may need for the first day or two in your carry-on bag. 5. Familiarize yourself with the ship. Once you're aboard the ship, take some time to explore and familiarize yourself with your surroundings. Locate the different dining options, bars, lounges, and public spaces, as well as your cabin and the muster station. 6. Attend the safety drill. Attending the safety drill is mandatory for all passengers, so be sure to head to the designated muster station at the appointed time. This is a good opportunity to familiarize yourself with the ship's safety procedures in case of an emergency. 7. Set sail with a positive attitude. Remember that you're on vacation. Relax and enjoy your time aboard the ship and in port. Be open to trying new things and meeting new people. And don't hesitate to ask the crew for help if you need anything. 8. Stick to a budget. It's easy to overspend while on a cruise, so it's important to set a budget in advance and stick to it. Consider prepaying for some activities and excursions, and be mindful of your spending when using your onboard account. 9. Dine at the buffet. The buffet is a great option for budget-minded travelers, and it's a good way to try a little bit of everything. Be sure to go at non-peak times to avoid the crowds, and don't hesitate to ask the staff for recommendations. 10. Take advantage of port days. Port days are a great opportunity to explore new places, so be sure to take advantage of them. Plan ahead by doing some research on the port city and booking any excursions or activities you're interested in advance. 11. Rest up. Remember that you're on vacation, so it's important to take some time to relax and recharge. If you need a break from the action, Head back to the ship for some downtime in your cabin or at the spa. 12. Try something new. A cruise is a great opportunity to try new things. So don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Whether it's trying a new food, participating in an onboard activity, or taking an excursion in port, push yourself to try something new. 13. Be respectful of other cultures. When visiting new places, it's important to be respectful of other cultures. Be sure to research the customs and etiquette of the places you'll be visiting, and be mindful of your actions and words. 14. Stay hydrated. It's easy to get dehydrated when you're spending time in the sun, so be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can also take advantage of the ship's pools and hot tubs to stay cool and hydrated. 15. Use sunscreen. Protect your skin by applying sunscreen regularly, especially if you're spending time in the sun. Be sure to reapply every few hours, and don't forget to use sunscreen even on cloudy days. 16. Take seasickness prevention measures. If you're prone to seasickness, be sure to take seasickness prevention measures in advance, such as taking medication or wearing acupressure wristbands. It's also a good idea to avoid drinking alcohol and eating greasy foods. 17. Stay in touch with loved ones. If you want to stay in touch with loved ones while on your cruise, be sure to purchase an international calling plan or use a messaging app like Messenger. You can also purchase a Wi-Fi package to stay connected online. 18. Capture memories. Make sure you capture all of your cruise memories by taking plenty of photos and videos. If you want to save money, purchase a disposable camera or bring your own digital camera or smartphone. 19. Disconnect from technology. Although it's nice to stay connected, remember that you're on vacation. Try to disconnect from technology as much as possible and enjoy your time without screens. If you need a break from social media, take advantage of the ship's internet package and disconnect for a while. 20. Have fun. Most importantly, remember to have fun. A cruise is a great opportunity to relax, explore, and try new things. So make the most of it and enjoy your time. We hope you liked this video. In case you have any tips for travelers that we did not present, please leave them in the comments. Now that the cruise industry is coming back to surface, we hope this advice helps you to have a wonderful and relaxing time. Remember to take care, stay prepared, and we will see you there.